Hey, thanks for watching this video. My name is John Watts. I'm a consumer protection lawyer in Alabama. And I've done videos on this before, but it keeps coming up and we keep getting contacted by people that simply do not show up at their debt collection trial. And they're wondering what's going to happen. Is that bad? And so I thought, well, maybe I'll do another video on this just so there's kind of a recent one. But here's the bottom line. If you've been sued by a debt collector, so Midland Funding, Portfolio Recovery, Calvary Cash, whoever it might be, you've been sued and you answered the lawsuit. So that's great. You answered a lawsuit. You don't get a default judgment. Wonderful. And then you get a trial date, but you don't show up to your own trial, then you're going to lose your case unless you have a lawyer. Here's what I mean by that. If you have a lawyer, your lawyer can show up for you. Now, with you not being there, you can't testify, but sometimes that's okay. Sometimes we don't want our clients testifying at trial. And we're satisfied with saying to the court, hey, see if Portfolio can prove its case. See if Midland can prove its case. And so we don't bring our clients to trial. But if you're representing yourself and the trial happens at 9 o'clock on Friday and you don't show up, well, then the judge says, I guess you defaulted. You didn't show up. Now, maybe the judge will give you one chance. Some judges do that. Most don't. Maybe the judge will tell the lawyer to go call you, try to get you up there. But you may not, you don't recognize the phone number coming in, or you're in a place where you're not allowed to have a phone at work or whatever. And the lawyer comes back in and says, Judge, I tried to call him, but no answer. The judge says, okay, how much you want for the judgment? Tell me what they have. And so it's very, very bad to do this. So first solution, don't miss your trial date unless you have a lawyer and you talk to your lawyer and your lawyer says don't show up. If you do miss your trial date and you get a judgment against you, you have a very limited amount of time, maybe as little as 14 days, to ask the court to undo that judgment and to explain, Judge, I'm sorry I missed my trial date. Here's what happened. I thought it was March the 17th and it's February the 17th, or I thought it was at 1 p.m. and it was at 9 a.m. or whatever it is. Be truthful about it and explain what happened. Maybe you had a medical emergency. Maybe your spouse got really sick and just the last thing on your mind was, oh, I'm supposed to be in court tomorrow. You're at the ER all night. Whatever it is, explain that to the court. Explain that you want a second chance, that you want to try your case, and whatever date they said it, whatever time they said it, you will be there. Now, you certainly can do this on your own. You can hire a lawyer to help you with this. But the bottom line is if you miss your trial date and there's a judgment against you, you want to do whatever you can legitimately to get rid of that judgment. So then you can go back and actually have the trial. And look, if you lose that trial, you lose that trial. That's kind of like losing in a game. That's okay. You may not like it, but it's okay. But to lose because you don't show up to the game, that's really disappointing. And so, again, make sure you show up. But if you've missed it, then immediately, either through a lawyer or on your own, get with the court to try to get that set aside. And it can get complicated exactly how much time you have. I'm just telling you, do it as quickly as you possibly can. It's always better to do it quicker than later because you may wait too long. So I hope that this is helpful. If you have questions and you're not represented by a lawyer, but maybe you've been sued, maybe you have a trial date coming up, and I hope that's not the case. Maybe you missed your trial date and you have a judgment. Call us immediately, 205-879-2447. Now, only call us if you're in Alabama. We don't represent people in other states. And we'll give you whatever suggestions we can, whatever help we can. And a lot of times we're telling people, here are some thoughts, and they go do it on their own. Occasionally they hire us, but whatever, it doesn't matter. We'll be happy to talk you through your options. So again, 205-879-2447 or alabamaconsumer.com. Thanks for watching this video, and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.